Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got this party slash wedding look for you guys, and I'll be helping you guys to create this look step by step. First of all, we need to prime our eyelids. So here I'm using the Maybelline Superstay concealer as a primer. This really helps to correct the darkness on the eyelid, and it makes your eyeshadow pop out. So here I'm taking the color Pumpkin and putting it on my crease, and the color wasn't really showing up, so I wanted to make it a bit intense. So I picked the color Danger, and I love that color, it's so gorgeous. So the mix of Danger and Pumpkin, you get this beautiful like peachy orange. So I'm blending it really well until you get a soft edge. So right now I'm going to take my Maybelline concealer and doing a cut crease. And now I'm going to take the Festive Flame color from the palette. I forgot to show the color on the camera, but it's called Festive Flame, and I'm going to use my fingers and dab it on my eyelid. And next I'm going to take the color Copper Coin and place it near my tear duct area, and I'm just going to blend it now. And then I'm going to take my eyeliner from Bourjois, it's the Jet Black, and draw my eyeliner. I'm starting my eyeliner as a very thin line, and then once I put my false lashes, I will make it a bit thick. Now I'm just cleaning up all the mess that I made and spraying fix spray, well, primer from MAC, and then using my concealer from Collection 2000 and putting it under my eyes to brighten it up and cover any darkness or redness on my skin. I am using all drugstore affordable products today, so hopefully most of you guys will have these products with you. And today for foundation, I'll be using Revolution Fast Base Foundation Stick, and I'm using F12 and F13. F12 was the perfect shade for me during winter time, but now I have tanned a bit more, so I have to use F13 to get the perfect shade. As you guys can see, I'm applying F12 and it's a bit too bright on my skin, so I went along with F13 and blended it. And personally, I feel like the Beauty Blender works well when you're working with this foundation. If you're someone who doesn't really want like a dewy, shiny effect, I definitely use a Beauty Blender. So I'm using number 7 and number 8 shade on the NYX palette to contour my face. And you guys can see the foundation is giving that natural glow to your cheekbones, which is really nice. But I don't want my whole face to be shiny because I don't like that oily effect. Now I'm taking a number 6, I believe, to contour my nose. I don't really like a heavy contour on my nose, so that's why I went for a bit of a lighter shade. Next, I'm using one of my favorite drugstore baking powders, which is the Revolution Banana Powder. It is great. It's very affordable and it works really well on Asian skin. And it gives that really nice, smooth, silky effect, like an airbrush effect to your face. I have now taken Sparkle Fly color and placed it on my brow bone to give a really nice highlight. And then I'm going back to the color Danger and Copper Coin and placing it under my waterline and smoothing it out. Next, it's time for some highlighter, and I'm using Hyper Real Glow highlighter, and I'm using the gold color. This highlighter is also great for brown skin tones or darker skin tones because all the 3 colors really complements our skin tone. And now on to one of my favorite blushes from NYX, and the color is Amber. And now to the final step, lining your lips and putting some matte lipstick from MUA, and the color is Velvet. It doesn't matter if you can't line your lips properly like me because everything's going to be covered. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this easy makeup tutorial. And if you did, make sure to show some love by sharing and subscribing to my channel. Until next time, bye.